Hi guys, do you want to forget about 10 to 12 hours work days every day of hard labor and make good money for your family? Well, that's what I'm here to help you do. With my trading, I can help you make good money so you don't have to stress yourself out. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to teach you how to trade. Of course, I'm going to be showing you how to avoid the bad part of trading and also ensure that you go through the good part of trading. In this 10 minutes, 9 minutes short video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. All you have to do is watch till the end. So I'm going to start trading now. Let me show you how it's done. Well, you see, let's begin by setting up individual fractals for this trading. We will need the Donchian Channel and Fractals. Everything has been added to the charts as you can see here, and it is time to take care of my parameters. I set the period to 18 for the Donchian Channel. Also, I would like to help have indicator in white so that it makes it more noticeable for everybody and makes this easier. Let's remove the background. Everything is ready to work. Donchian is all set and the fractals are all set. Let's take a closer look at the trading signals. We will analyze this channel carefully and watch how the prices respond to it. The main focus is on the price bounces off the channel. So when the price bounces off the channel boundaries, as the asset is always inside, the fact is that any single bounce off the boundaries, guys, indicates a market's reversal in the opposite direction. As you can see, this happens all the time. Yeah. Here's another important point. It works, doesn't matter what. The price moves in waves within the channels, and all we need to do is catch the next reversal. So here's the basis for our strategy, but there is another signal, the breakout of the central line. The price is almost moved in the direction of the breakout. If you see a breakout, it is time to open a trade, or at least consider it. With the first indicator, everything is clear, but we also have a second one for the better understanding of price movements. Fractals key highlights support and resistance zones, which can be used in opening trades. A breakdown downward indicates a decline, while an upward breakdown shows growth. We simply draw lines from the fractals and observe where the price is going. This is a very simple, reliable tool. Fractals also help us see potential reversal points. When an asset bounces off and reverses, it is a good sign for a change in direction. These actions often always coincide with a reversal from the boundary of Donchian Channel. In this case, it is an even better sign. Well guys, enough of theory. It's time to put everything into practice with real trading. I will change the charts, find suitable deal. Let's get our analysis started. Let's go. Let's get this trading session started. The classic Euro USD line is offering opportunity in the long. I am in the market now. Let's work a situation out. We'll draw the lines from the fractals focused on the farthest key fractal and the most recent one, which has already broken upwards. Now the price is approaching the more long-term level. Here is the level at which the price will have to reach so that we can have a breakout on the central line. And there was a bounce on the boundary earlier. The asset is generally going up and we are actively taking part of it. While the expiration is going, I would like to emphasize that this is a very important test in this strategy on your own practice. Don't rush. Don't immediately see what I'm doing and try to do it on your own. Take your time and be careful with it. Also, you can feel free to join my Telegram channel where I give free signals and help you. So I regularly analyze the best strategies with highest returns. One of them will help you achieve success. Meanwhile, this trade is almost closed. Well done. I took a profit in the last second, guys, as you can see here. Things are unfolding perfectly here. So I'll stay on the charts for now. I'll be back in a few seconds. When the market offers opportunities, it is worth taking advantage of them. Alright, I am back on the market. This chart is confidently moving upwards, and so I expect this asset to rise to a new relative high. Let me show you your target. It is based on the fractal and the chart should even climb higher. This is another useful tool the fractal provides. They indicate the level which this price is likely to reach. So after touching the targets, the currency pair might reverse, but the asset is almost certain to reach that level first. All that's left for us to do is to observe. If the chart closes above the highest points, we can open a long position. If it reverses, we will be open a short position. Simply put, we are in full control of the situation. As the asset is showing tremendous growth, I am calmly waiting. Done. As you can see here, I closed the trade as planned and the asset continues to go up rapidly. This means that there will be trading for the price to increase. Just 5 more seconds. I will enter the position again. Okay, I am in the deal now. Let's take another look at what has been going on in the asset chart. The chart is rising and has broken through the key upper fractal. This means that the currency pair isn't planning to reverse. in spite of the fact that it has been trading near the upper channel boundary for a while. This trend's strength remains intact. Now, you know how to get the most out of this strategy. The channel provides entry points and the fractals show effective signals, and they serve as indicators of trend continuation, highlighting the next target prices. With the Donchian channel, we determine the entry points, and with fractals, we analyze the strength of the movements and consistently receive signals that hint at what's likely going to happen in the next few minutes. That's the essence of the strategy, which I've demonstrated through the series of perfect trades in a row. And yes, the third one closed in profit, guys. Now we can switch the chart. I will show you another asset for variety. Let's go. Okay, so I found a good entry point, which is worth your attention. I will enter to start in a new minute and show you everything in detail. So here is the trade for a price increase. Now you see why this move makes sense. First, we are focusing on bounce of the central line. At this moment, buyers will become active and the price started to rise. There is also level from a fractal which was previously broken. By the way, this aligns perfectly with the breakout of the central line. Everything suggests that we are about to see an excellent growth, so let's check it out. This is just great. The asset is performing magnificently, as we hoped, immediately showing explosive growth. Now, we just wait for the expiration to finish. This is exactly what it means to trade with high quality. This is what you guys should always strive to find. The strategy that will bring you profit. All right, we are down to the final seconds. Yes, another trade is closed, guys. Almost $200 in about 30 minutes of active trading. I think this is a fantastic result. So it's time to wrap it up and summarize our trading session. So friends, look, trading is hard work. Nobody's going to tell you, this is the easiest thing ever. It is hard work. And I guarantee you that if you practice, you're going to get the results you want. Of course, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. That's not going to happen. But you can make some good money. And I hope with today's video, you can see like it's possible within a short amount of time to make some good money for yourself. All you have to do is persevere. So if you enjoyed this episode and want to see more like this, all you have to do is hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Let's get it, guys. Don't miss out anything. Also, guys, share your thoughts in the comments of this video and let me know. I would like to know your feedback about what this video is about. So let's get it, guys. Hit me with the comments and thank you very much. For more detailed breakdowns, you can check my Telegram channel where I give you more expansive breakdowns on how to trade. There is currently a 50% discount going on Pocket Option. All you have to do is hit the Telegram channel and get it. So let's get it, guys. So that's all for now, guys. Successful trading. Let's get it. Thank you. Bye.